Good morning, students. Today we will be discussing on BCS theory. See, it is one of the most important theory in the field of superconductivity. See, in the year 1957, BCS means Bardeen, Cooper, Schreiber. These three scientists gave a theory to explain the phenomenon of superconductivity, which is known as BCS theory. See, according to this theory, the current carrying electrons in a superconductor could interact with the lattice, that is crystal lattice, and it forms a bound state, that is Cooper pair, because of their Coulomb repulsion. This lattice gets slightly deformed, which means it undergo transformation into, which means change in position of the crystal lattice. It undergo deformation as the electron moves through it. The positive ions in the electron path get displaced towards it. The deformation produces a region of increased positive charge, and another electron moving through this polarized region will be attracted by the greater concentration of positive charge. We know that if the attraction is stronger than the repulsion between the electrons are coupled together to form a Cooper pair. These lattice vibrations are quantized in terms of phonons. Phonons means electromagnetic quantum of energy. Thus, the process is called electron lattice electron interaction via phonon field. When the electrons flow in the form of Cooper pairs in the materials, Cooper pair means it is a pairing of two electrons, that is, one is positive, another one is negative charge particles. They do not encounter any scattering and the resistance factor vanishes. Here the electrons in pure metals such as copper, silver, gold move freely in the lattice, so that the electron lattice interaction is virtually absent. Hence, Cooper pairs are not formed. This is the reason why these materials do not exhibit superconductivity. Because in case of conductors, we all know that atoms are arranged in three-dimensional network. There is no any space gap between the atoms. Here, closely packed structure in case of metals like metals or crystalline metals. For example, conductors. The difference between conductor and superconductor. Here, conductors, we know that it is of higher temperature. Superconductivity means it cooled below low temperature. Is these conducting materials do not form superconductivity nature of the materials. See, this theory was given by three scientists, Bardeen, Cooper, Schreiber. See, in this case, here current carrying electrons in a superconductor could interact with the surrounding atoms and form a bound state like electron, positron, and its opposite charge, Cooper pair. And when interaction with the surrounding atoms, what happens? The crystalline nature or electron current carrying conductors in a system disturbances, or it distorted or deformed. Then positive ions passing through positive ions in the electron path get displaced. Yet the deformation produces in a increased positive change. And this, if the attraction is stronger than the repulsion between the electrons, here we can form a Cooper fair. These lattice vibrations are quantized in terms of electromagnetic radiations of energy, that is known as phonons. Then superconductors, it is a form of metals, intermetallic compound, ceramic, alloys. These materials combinedly uh, exhibit superconductivity nature. See, in case of conductors, Cooper pairs are not formed. That is the reason why metals do not exhibit superconductivity. See, this is the explanation related to BCS theory. See, it could be asked for 4 marks question. Write a note on BCS theory of superconductivity. See, this is the discussion of BCS theory.